All right, back today after yesterday's bottom paint touch up. She's looking pretty good. Looks brand new. Went around and removed all the black streaks, which you get many of those every year, seems like. But she's pretty clean now. So now I'm going to hit everything below the rub rail here and wax it up. I found this cool stuff. It's a waterless wash. It's called Wash Wax All by Aero Cosmetics. Been an awesome product. Just wipe it on and wipe it off. So let's get to that. So this is super simple. Just simply spray it on and you wipe it off, or actually wipe it in. Try to get a little bit everywhere. But not only does it wax it, but it cleans it too. It's pretty amazing stuff. Now, it won't take out the big streaks and stuff like that, but it does a pretty good job. And it just sits on there and you let it dry for a little bit, and then take a clean cloth, or the clean side of your cloth, and wipe it down. We'll give that a couple minutes. So I usually just spray it right on the cloth and then wipe it down. And you can be liberal with it. You can scrub a little bit where needed. And you can do large sections at a time and come back and just wipe it off like a wax, because it'll form a haze. I don't know if you can see down the side, but you can see where the line is, about right in this area. So we'll wipe it down with a clean cloth. So there you go. Just take a dry, clean cloth and wipe it down, and you'll see the shine come out. That's all there is to it. You can probably do this whole boat in about a half hour. And as you can see, she's a big girl. So I'm gonna get to the rest of it. So I got one side done, one side to go, but you can see how deep that shine is. I'm trying to get it in the sun. But not bad for about 15 minutes of work.